Now, this is how you can sync your iPhone books to the iPad, and let's get started. If you are new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss explanations and tutorials like this one. Well, a few things you have to do on your iPhone at first. Go to the settings and main page at the top, right? So you can see like your profile where you get to click on and then proceed to the iCloud section. Then part of the iCloud, you can see we have like all of these like random apps, which you can decide to sync to the iCloud. So upon scrolling down a little bit, you should be able to find the books, right? And you can also see the amount of data which is in there, right? In like megabytes. So on the iPhone, you need to make sure it's turned on, but the same thing has to be performed on the iPad as well. And it just means that any book that you download on the iPhone will appear on the iPad, and all of the other data, like the progression through reading, right? Like if you left on page 100, you're going to be able to continue on other device wherever you left on the phone, right? So it's like synced in that way as well, but you need to have it, as I said, synced and turned on through iCloud on both devices. Naturally, internet connection is also required, but it should get the job done. So let me know in the comments below what you think about it. If you manage to make it work, most definitely subscribe for tutorials and quick guides like this one, and I'll see you later.